Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to turn on black theme on Google. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in Google. I'm using Google Chrome to open this Google. You can use any browser of your choice. Now, on the bottom right, you can see here is settings. Just click on this. After that, you can find here are multiple options to choose with. On the bottom, you can see here is dark theme. If you click on this, you can see our dark theme is activated on Google. In this way, we can turn on dark theme on Google. Also, if you want to turn off, simply click on this setting and over here you can see this dark theme is on. Just click on this and our dark theme is turned off. So in this way we can turn on as well as turn off dark theme on Google. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.